Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Solana continues to be in a correction, in a sell-off mode here. We have broken below the critical first support at $160. Nothing's invalidated yet, but I have removed the previous scenario in which we were tracking a wave 4 correction. While that is still a possible scenario, because you might remember we were tracking a diagonal structure to the upside. The pullback is so deep that it has become less likely, and I want to make room for the other scenarios I only briefly mentioned in yesterday's video, in which I said, look, if we break below 160, then the next focus will be on this support zone here, between $140 and $152 in a wave 2. Now the problem is, the wave 1 in white is only a 3-wave move up. There are different ways of labeling it. Could be a WXY structure even to the upside, yeah. But it's a 3-wave move up. There are no 5 waves. This here could have been the 4-5, yeah. So with only 3 waves to the upside, I have only... Actually, my only choice would be probably, yeah, to call this wave 1 of a diagonal pattern. I explained in the previous video how that would look in the bigger picture. We can do that tomorrow again. But in this video, I just want to give you a quick update here. So if this is a wave 1, then it's low probability. That would be the wave 1 of a larger 5-wave move, which can still send us higher. And to be honest, it would likely then be just wave 1 and wave 2 of a C wave, not of a 3rd wave. So I'll change that tomorrow. But it depends a little bit on, honestly, it depends a little bit on how the weekend price action now unfolds. So I'm definitely watching this very, 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 very closely. I still don't give up on an upside reversal here. There are 2 bullish scenarios I'm still tracking. This one here, particularly, right, in which we're now in a wave 2 pullback, but below $140, something different is likely going to unfold. What would then be the next best bullish scenario? Well, it would be a reset. So that's what it can do, right? If it just keeps dropping and doesn't find support here, then of course the price is likely, is likely going to reset this wave 2 or wave B. Now, someone asked me earlier today, how can you trade this when you don't even know which correction it is? Now, of course, we don't know what it is. There's this thesis. Until yesterday, I was tracking this as a wave 4, but support broke. Now, this was like the first support level Solana has now broken in a while. So we now obviously are in a correction. We have been in a correction for the last 2 weeks, to be honest. So again, longing this without a local setup, yeah, will keep you like, if you go long just without a plan, you'll just get, your stops will just trigger all the time because we're still in a correction, right? It's not the time to go long necessarily, unless you really know what you're doing, because we're still in a local downtrend, right? So what might help is to wait for a first break above a resistance and then a corrective pullback. And then you have a place where you can set a stop, right? Can I promise that will hold? No. But for now, what I can say is, look, we are moving down and we are moving through these pivots, these checkpoints. Now, the first one is this one now, $152.34 to $140.27. So that's the next support zone. There's a chance for a bounce. If there is a bounce, the first resistance area is this one. $169.09 needs to be broken to indicate a low of sorts is in place. Any rally into that resistance area could simply be just a corrective rally, which might lead to one more low. Because the C wave down appears to need one more low, but we'll see. It's something, sometimes that last low doesn't happen. It's just what it is. So basically, that's why I think it makes sense to also keep an eye on Bitcoin, which we do anyway. So if Bitcoin signals as something, and at the moment it's not doing that yet, but if Bitcoin signals as something, then Solana might try to turn around and start that 3rd wave to the upside. So that's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. There's a short video that explains the membership. You get access to member-only videos. There are quite a few. You get access to our member live stream. I want to highlight that because that is going to happen on Sunday, 5 p.m. UTC, our weekly MCO member live stream. Great chance to connect with each other. You can ask questions. I'll try to answer them all. You can put some requests in. That'll happen on Sunday. As a gold member, you can also get access to our Discord server where we cover not only a lot of cryptos, but you get Tradingview live chart access. You get access to updates about gold and silver as well. Some stocks updates are included as well. Educational content, a full Elliott wave course is there, so check it out. Yeah, and maybe we'll see each other there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.